In this lesson, I want to implement isLoading function. This app is pretty quick to fetch the data from the API. However, those few seconds or milliseconds, we want to show loading icon or something so that it's more user friendly. First, let's start by creating a loading component right down here. Let's just keep loading text in this div. Now there are a couple of steps involved in this process. First step, we need to set it as a property to the state. Let's set it by the name isLoading and set it to false by default. Second step, when we set the top stories, we will set it to false as well. Third step, we will set it to true because we are fetching the data. That time we want to show the loading. So we set state loading property values to true. Fourth step, and finally, we will render loading component based on the condition. Is loading this state? We will switch between loading component and button component depending on the condition. Wrap this button component in curly braces. Now using the ternary operator, if isLoading is true, show loading component or show the button component. Let's try it in the browser. Awesome. Just as we expected.